Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to another vlog. Today I have school. Well, I have a half day, which means that I have a lot of time to do like the things I need to do in the morning. But recently and throughout my time at sixth form, I've always been getting a lot of compliments and questions about my preppy school outfits. And today's outfit would not be complete without the jewelry that I'm wearing today, which leads to the sponsor of this video, Ana Luisa. Ana Luisa is a sustainable jewelry brand that creates some really cute pieces of jewelry ranging from a bunch of different styles. Ana Luisa offers from minimalistic pieces to more bold statement pieces of jewelry. Now I'll show you some of the items I received, and one of them I'm currently wearing on my ears right now. As I unbox the package, the jewelry comes in these really cute pouches which can be reusable for another purpose. They are 100% carbon neutral too, which is great. So right now I'm currently wearing Ashley. They are just these really cute gold earrings that are embedded with Swarovski pearls. And these are huggy hoops, so they literally hug your ear, as there's not that much space between my earlobe and the actual hoop of the earring. Next, I am wearing Frida. They are basically these gold earrings with a dangling pearl pendant, which I absolutely love. And the last piece that I got is called Toda. I absolutely love these. They are these double stacked earrings, and what I love about this is that I only have one piercing. So these are great if you only have one piercing and you don't have multiple piercings to like stack your earrings. These are just gold. The other one has this kind of like diamond detailing. If you're interested in any of the jewelry that I have shown or other pieces on our website, then you can go ahead and click the link in the description box. It's the first one, and you can get up to 40% off for the Valentine's season. However, this won't be for long. You don't want to miss out. Once again, thank you Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. Now let's get back to the vlog. So currently on my desk setup, I basically have this whiteboard where I blur everything that I know. Well, I do this after I just had a biology or chemistry class, and then I make flashcards based on terms that we need to know, and I just sit that on top of my little pen holder. In front of me I have this revision sheet that I just completed just before I went to school, as I had a bit more time on my hands than starting at 9 in the morning. I just went ahead and just revised those flashcards just before I start answering some questions, and I'm just listening to lo-fi music. Honestly, listening to music while studying is so underrated, and I'll link down below the playlist that I listen to. I listen to this all the time whenever I'm studying, and I highly recommend that you stick to a certain playlist that you always listen to whenever you're studying, because it really gets you in the mood to actually get work done. So a month into last year of A-levels, I've pretty much finished all of A-level biology. I've finished all of chemistry, and we're just doing revision. So this is the fit, guys. Super simple. I'm just wearing my beloved trench coat and grey kind of like pleated skirt. I guess I'm just gonna go to school now. So this is some other random day in the week, but I'm just completing those revision sheets again, but I'm just doing a different topic. I have my June book just chilling on my table as I still need to finish it, as one of my New Year's resolutions was to read more, and I'm really trying to do that, especially with the pressures of exams around the corner. It's like 500 pages long, but I'm a really big fan of books, and if you are interested, then I'll have my Goodreads link down below. I had to go to the internet and just search up the answers to some of the questions because I either forgot or I honestly just did not know. So that's what I did, and it's a really helpful form of revision. So I found a study spot. It's because I honestly think that you need to have a variety of different study spaces to like
be in the same place.
Oh yeah.
Now guys, literally when I'm revising at home, I will go from the kitchen to my conservatory to my bedroom to the attic. Like I can't stay in the same place. I don't know why. Is it just me?
No, like I'm the same too.
I don't know.
So hey guys.
Hi guys.
So I'm with my study buddy.
Period. My name's Spendy. I can't lie, it feels weird being on your channel because I'm always watching you. Basically, it's 3:30 and our teacher's doing an intervention for chemistry for people that want revision help and all that. So we're gonna tune in for 1 hour. And then we're gonna do some practice papers. We're doing organic or physical?
Organic.
Organic.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna go home. And like when you got a friend that does the same subjects as you, it's motivating.
Yeah,
we're not in the same classes, but we're not in the same classes.
But we do the same subject.
So
we were just setting up the laptops. It did take a while, but yeah, we just started with revision. We were on Teams doing the online class that the chemistry teacher was hosting. But yeah, so Spendy was just teaching me some things. I was teaching her some stuff, but boy, I was tired. I'm not gonna lie, I was low-key falling asleep as she was trying to explain something to me. But I actually still remembered like the stuff she taught me, so yeah. That was a very good study session.
Guys, I'm so tired.
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I was actually low-key falling asleep.
Damn, her eyes, she was like this. I was like, Lordina, like, we went from chemistry to biology. We was just switching subjects.
I do try, guys.
She
like
was sleeping. Every 5 seconds, she's gone.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the description box and Ana Luisa's website as they're doing a huge discount, and I wouldn't want you guys to miss out. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.